Hey friends, welcome to World Expo YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel if you're not yet subscribed. The Kazakhstan Pavilion has presented a rich business and cultural program since the following month after its opening. The Days of Kazakhstan Tourism, which were held on October 24-28, included panel sessions, business meetings and such cultural events as Sazjan Sazi, a folklore and ethnographic ensemble's performance, and Marino Madi's fashion show, Kazakh designers' clothing brand. The Kazakhstan Pavilion is very impressive from the first minute. As soon as you enter, atmosphere, music, plants in which LEDs are installed. It looks very beautiful. There are also installations on the second floor. The sun moves and shows how Kazakhstan changes from morning to evening. A three-story pavilion with 4 exhibition areas, inspired by traditional Oriental architecture, represents a synthesis of modern digital solutions and traditions while symbolizing the openness of Kazakhstan. There are also IT technologies of the country. Busazhida Kasymbekova, Poland Pavilion's intern, shared her impressions. Its expositions fully reveal the exhibition's theme, connecting minds, creating the future, and may be compared with a journey, in which visitors learn the nature, history, culture, traditions, as well as promising projects in the country's development. Above all, the pavilion highlights sectors of the country's economy that Kazakhstan is proud of, such as the investment, industrial, transport and logistics, and agrarian sectors. The final show, presented at the end of the pavilion, was also a great success among visitors. Kazakhstan participated in the Expo 2020 for several purposes, and one of them is attracting direct and indirect investments to the country's economy. The ceremonial opening of the Lines of Prosperity exhibition in Salseri Gallery was held on October 11-14, where Kazakh and foreign artists presented new directions and trends in the fine arts. Around 30 business events were scheduled around the event. The acrobatic performance with the robotic hand symbolizes the interaction of man with artificial intelligence and the search for balance between them. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.